Hello, everybody. Welcome to the lounge. Hope you're all doing well. And isn't this a lovely looking countertop? This is a non quartz, non granite, it's some kind of laminate, and it was installed about 4 years ago. Now, I just moved into this house and I want to make sure that this countertop lasts as many years as it possibly can. And to do that, we have to fix the weak spot in it. And in most of these countertops, the weak spot is right here, just above the dishwasher. You have this exposed particle board. And what happens over time is the steam from the dishwasher and the heat and the moisture makes this particle board swell up, crack, and before you know it, this entire countertop starts to crack and you end up replacing the whole thing just because this one part went bad. So there's a few different ways to fix this. What some people will do is they'll apply some kind of clear double epoxy on the bottom here. But I'm going to do something a little different because I didn't have any epoxy around the house, but I did have this. This is aluminum foil self-adhesive tape, and it's mostly used for ducting. I'll link to this down in the description if you want to see exactly what it is, but you can find it in most hardware stores. And I'll just show you how quick and easy it is to fix this problem with it, because all we need is something that's waterproof and heat resistant. And this is both of those. Okay, so first thing you do is you get the tape and you get it up to size so that it covers everything from end to end above the dishwasher. Snip it off. And then all you gotta do is open her up so you can work under here. And this adhesive tape is just crazy. Once you take off the white portion that protects the sticker, this stuff is intense. So you take off the white part as you apply the tape to the bottom. See how it kind of rolls up? Gotta watch out for that. But that's it. All the particle board area is covered. That's all you gotta do. That's it, guys. Now this countertop is going to get probably so many good years that the cabinetry is gonna go before it does. Hope this was useful. If so, subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll see you back here next time.